The latest river levels in the Potomac, Shenandoah, and Rappahannock basins are as follows. All reports are current as of 12 a.m. and are measured in feet. For North Branch Potomac River at Kitzmiller, 4.1. North Branch Potomac River at Luke, 3.6. North Branch Potomac River near Cumberland, 4.9. South Fork South Branch Potomac near Moorefield, 4.1. South Branch Potomac River near Petersburg, 5.9. South Branch Potomac River near Springfield, 4.5. Potomac River at Paw Paw, 9.6. Potomac River at Hancock, 8.1. Potomac River at Shepherdstown, 6.6. Potomac River at Point of Rocks, 6.5. Potomac River at Edward Ferry, 9.1. Potomac River at Little Falls, 5.6. North Fork Shenandoah River at Cootes Store, 4.1. North Fork Shenandoah River near Strasburg, 3.8. South Fork Shenandoah River near Luray, 5.7. South Fork Shenandoah River at Front Royal, 4.1. Shenandoah River at Millville, 5.8. Rappahannock River at Remington, 5.2. Georges Creek at Westernport, 4.2. Wills Creek near Cumberland, 3.9. Conococheague Creek at Fairview, 3.4. Oakheckham Creek near Martinsburg, 3.6. Antietam Creek near Sharpsburg, 3.1. Goose Creek near Leesburg, 2.7. Monocacy River at Frederick, 4.1. Cuckhaven River near Great Cuckhaven, 3.7. This is the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Station WXM42, broadcasting from the National Weather Service Office in Sterling, Virginia, and transmitting on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz from an antenna located in Hagerstown, Maryland. This hazardous weather outlook is for portions of eastern West Virginia, northern and central Virginia, and central and western Maryland. Day 1, today and tonight. No hazardous weather is expected at this time. Days 2 through 7, Thursday through Tuesday. No hazardous weather is expected at this time. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation is not expected at this time. The 5 a.m. observations. At Hagerstown Regional Airport, cloudy skies. The temperature was 36 degrees. Dew point 31. Humidity was 82%. Winds were northwest at 3 miles an hour, and the barometric pressure was 30.06 inches and rising. At Martinsburg, cloudy skies. The temperature was 37 degrees. Dew point 27. Humidity was 67%. Winds were northwest at 13 miles an hour, gusting to 21, and the barometric pressure was 30.07 inches and rising. Now for some observations from the surrounding area. At Cumberland, cloudy. Temperature 37. At Frederick, cloudy. Temperature 37. At Winchester, cloudy. Temperature 36. At Westminster, cloudy. Temperature 37. Wind northwest at 6 miles an hour. At Dulles Airport, cloudy. Temperature 38. Wind northwest at 8 miles an hour. At Reagan National Airport, cloudy. 40. Northwest wind at 13 miles an hour. At Bedford, the temperature was 33. Northwest wind at 7 miles an hour. At Altoona, cloudy. 33 degrees. Northwest wind at 8. At Johnstown, cloudy skies. 28. Wind northwest at 14 miles an hour, producing a wind chill of 17. At Pittsburg, cloudy. 32 degrees. Northwest wind at 7. At Harrisburg, cloudy. 38 degrees. North wind at 12. At Baltimore Washington Airport, cloudy skies. 39. Wind northwest at 8 miles an hour. At Roanoke, cloudy skies. 38. wind northwest at 8 miles an hour. Here is a look at the weather features that will affect the region over the next several days. High pressure will build into the region today through Thursday night, with dry conditions and seasonable temperatures prevailing. Low pressure is poised to pass south of the area Friday and Friday night, with low-end precipitation potential across central Virginia and southern Maryland. The low will strengthen and pull away from the coast Saturday as high pressure builds back into the region for the balance of the weekend. Dry conditions and near normal temperatures are expected to persist into early next week. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Hagerstown and Martinsburg area and the surrounding WXM42 listening area. Rest of the overnight, mostly cloudy. Lows around 30. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour with gusts up to 20 miles an hour. Today, partly sunny. Highs around 40. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Tonight, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 20s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday, sunny. Highs in the lower 40s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday night, partly cloudy until midnight, then becoming mostly cloudy. Lows in the mid-20s. Northwest winds around 5 miles an hour. Friday, mostly cloudy. Highs in the upper 30s. Saturday, mostly clear. Highs in the upper 30s. Lows in the lower 20s. Sunday, partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 40s. Lows in the mid-20s. Monday, mostly cloudy. Highs in the upper 30s. Lows in the mid-20s. Tuesday, partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 40s. Lows in the upper 20s. The Northern Virginia mountain forecast for elevations above 2,000 feet, including the Skyline Drive. Rest of the overnight, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 20s. Today, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 30s. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-20s. Thursday, sunny. Highs around 40. Friday, mostly cloudy. Lows in the upper 20s. Highs in the mid-30s. Saturday, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-20s. Highs in the upper 30s. Sunday, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 20s. Highs around 40. This hazardous weather outlook is for portions of eastern West Virginia, northern and central Virginia, and central and western Maryland. Day 1, today and tonight. No hazardous weather is expected at this time. Days 2 through 7, Thursday through Tuesday. No hazardous weather is expected at this time. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation is not expected at this time. The current time is 5:54 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The 5 a.m. observations at Hagerstown Region.